Assembly Member Amanda Septimo celebrates her second annual Parking Day with the residents of Mott Haven. 3 to 4 parking spaces on East 138th Street and Willis Avenue were converted into a park for a day with games, activities, and free books. Parking Day is a global project to improve neighbors' connection to their environment.
Today we are celebrating Parking Day, which is an international affair where all over the world activists come out and take over parking spots on the street and turn them into smaller parks. And this is to advocate for more parks and green spaces in our community. And we chose here in Mott Haven because Mott Haven doesn't have even one green space.
Many of the residents and members of the community engaged with the activities provided by this little temporary park, which was the goal, to have more engagement.
It makes me feel really good that we're able to provide even this small little break for people to kind of step away from their issues, for kids to just come out and enjoy, and people to be together in community. But it also is a great opportunity to talk to our neighbors about this issue and this advocacy and why it's important, and to hear from our neighbors of what are some of the other things that we need to be seeing in our community to be pushing against some of the trends that we're seeing in gun violence and our young people not having enough to do, not enough investment in the South Bronx, etc.
This is the second annual Parking Day for Assembly Member Amanda. Last year they had only about 1 to 2 parking spaces converted. This year there's 4.
We grew this year because last year we had such a great response. We had so many kids, so many parents who were staying and wanting to spend time. And so we decided this year to grow, to accommodate. And, every year we want the message to keep getting bigger. We deserve parks in Mott Haven. We deserve parks in the South Bronx. And we're going to keep pushing until we get them.
Be sure to mark September 15th on your calendar as Global Parking Day so you won't miss out on the street temporary park fun. Reporting for BronxNet, Kyrie Moody.